Safeguard your spending and shop smarter online with a Capital One virtual card right on your iPhone. First, grab your iPhone and open the Capital One mobile app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, log into your Capital One account using your username and password. After logging in, you'll want to find your primary credit card account on the dashboard. Tap on it to select it. Now, look for an option like More Options, Manage Card, or something similar. This is where you'll find the virtual card feature. Tap on that. Among the options presented, you'll see something like Use Virtual Card Numbers or Create Virtual Card. Select this option to proceed. Here, you'll see an option to generate a new virtual card. Tap the button to create your unique virtual card number. A new virtual card number will be generated for you. This will include a unique card number, an expiration date, and a CVV code. You can also choose to create a merchant-specific card number for extra security at certain retailers. To use it for a purchase, simply tap to copy the virtual card number. Now, when you're ready to make an online purchase, simply paste this virtual card number into the required payment fields instead of your primary card details. Enter the expiration date and the CVV code provided for your virtual card, and that's it. Your purchase will go through securely, protecting your primary credit card information from potential data breaches. Remember, you can manage and even delete your virtual cards anytime within the Capital One app.